There's something so serene about staying at a cabin. Maybe it's the fact that I'm surrounded by nature. Nothing but trees, wildflowers, and mountains. Or maybe it's the fact that I get to completely unplug from the chaos of the world and spend peaceful, quality time with my hubby Luke and my fur baby Chinook. We have some pretty special memories of our time at this little log cabin in Twisp.
Close your eyes, get some rest. I'm by your side. Lay your head on my chest.
One of the reasons why we love going to Winthrop so much is because our Bernese mountain dog is a snow dog.
You can roll around in it. Oh,
So he
there
gets
you
crazy
go.
happy in the snow. It's literally like catnip is for a cat or something because he just
It's a
gets
good
this
try.
crazy look at his eyes and goes nuts.
The world could fall down, it's gonna be okay. The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay. If all the blue skies fade to gray, we're gonna be okay.
I've never seen a bird like that.
He's so curious.
Calm your soul.
There was this bird there called a grouse that came very close to the cabin,
Oh, look at its butt feathers.
and Chinook was sitting on the front porch watching this bird very intently.
Understand.
That's its plumage. Yeah! No. Oh.
Don't worry, Chinook didn't get the grouse. Oh yeah, did I mention that we brought a hot tub?
It's over now, so don't despair.
We definitely had some challenges heating it up fast enough, but between using water directly from the hot water tank and using an electric heater, we made it work. Our favorite way to watch the sunset was grabbing our glasses of wine, soaking in the hot tub, and watching the sky change colors until the moon and stars came out. This was our first trip where we decided to start to learn how to film. Like how to do B-roll and get creative with different angles.
The sun could go out, we're gonna be okay.
Or how to fly the drone. Like there was this spot where I ran it into a bush and then later a tree. This drone was such a mess afterwards. Spent like half an hour just cleaning all the green gunk off it. We also learned that with the safety mechanism on, the drone has a really hard time following us through, like, for example, this forested area. Oh well, I'm still working on getting good enough to fly with the safeties turned off. Also, I started using this awesome app called Filmic Pro to play with my focal length to get close-up shots. I'd highly recommend it if you're starting to learn how to film with a phone.
Oh, nice, Chinook.
Appalachian sunrise meets my skin. Even with my eyes still closed, I can feel it coming in.
One of the things I realized while editing this video is that we took way too much B-roll footage and not enough footage of us interacting with the environment, which personally is one of my favorite types of footage. I also didn't do any vlogging while we were on this trip. And the last thing is I needed to film more of the background stuff. Like for example, us setting up the hot tub, or me trying to clean my drone after it was covered in green leaves, things like that. Any point of conflict, I've realized, is really important to capture because those conflict portions are what make a story more captivating. As our little vacay at the cabin comes to an end, I just want to thank you guys for following along our journey of us learning how to film.